Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn 2 or 3 cherry tomatoes into this huge cluster hedge of cherry tomatoes. So I probably started with, I don't know, the seeds from maybe 2 or 3 cherry tomatoes, and I dried them out, put them in the ground, and now I have at least a dozen a day if I want. And so this is producing a huge amount of cherry tomatoes. So obviously you're going to want to like cherry tomatoes before you do this because you're going to have a lot of cherry tomatoes. So as you can see, just coming out here, yesterday I picked this clean of red ones, and now I have, well, at least 4 more. But there's more lower down. Anyway, this is what it looks like after all the plants grow up. And there's probably, I would say, at least 8 or 9 plants in that cluster. And I've kind of surrounded it with one of those little garden fences just to keep it all clustered together so it just doesn't fall everywhere. And that kind of keeps the sides up. And these things are really good. So as you can see down below, you can see that there's lots of vines coming out of the ground, and there's a lot of tomatoes down here too that I didn't even notice, so I could pick those too if I wanted to, but you get the idea. So this is what you do. All right, so you obviously need a sharp knife, grab a few cherry tomatoes, slice them open without cutting your fingers off. And then when you slice them open, remove the seeds. That's the only part that you need for the experiment. And these ones don't have quite as many viable seeds as I'd like, so I might need more than 2. And then you can obviously eat the rest. No need to waste. Same thing again. Get the seeds out. Once you have the seeds, you can eat them. And I like putting them on a piece of paper. I've tried paper towels before, but they kind of fall apart, so this is perfect. Let them dry out. And once they're dry, find a spot to put them in the ground, and you'll have as many tomatoes as you could possibly want. Easy as that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.